Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the Huawei Band 8 auto lock when taken off your wrist. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap pin. You will have to have a pin set on your watch for this to work. Now scroll down the pin settings and turn on the toggle below Auto Lock. When the toggle is blue, Auto Lock is turned on. Your watch will now automatically lock as soon as you take it off your wrist. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.